Okay, so good morning everyone. Now let me know um, till which chapter we have completed and what are the chapters we are supposed to teach today. So let me unmute at least one stream. Let me unmute one. Okay, Ishant Raj is there. Unmute yourself, Ishant Raj.
Yes, sir.
Till 21 is the quarterly syllabus.
Yes, sir.
So from 22, chapter 22 onwards, we are going to begin.
Yes, sir.
So tell me how
Yes,
was
sir.
your
From 22.
Okay, so tell me how was your GK exam was there, Ishant Raj?
Sir, very easy. Sir, very
Very-
easy. I will get 50 out of 50.
Oh, you have got 50 out of 50.
Yes, sir.
How
Sir,
did you know?
anything.
How did you know? In that exam you could
Sir,
know
because
all answers.
all questions.
Yes, you tell.
Yes, sir. They were very easy, and I think it all.
It was easy because I have conducted before quarterly examination so many tests. I have conducted oral tests. I have conducted written tests. Do you remember?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's why it was easy. Otherwise, learning chapter 1 to 21 and all the chapters all of you have learned, that was very, very nice, very, very good. And all of you have scored very good marks. So when result will be published, then we'll see that who has got what and who has got full out of full. Because in GK, I have conducted so many tests, so many revision. Do you remember how many tests I have conducted? Can you count?
Yes, sir.
Can you count
No, sir.
approximately? Approximately means अंदाजा लगा सकते हो कि कितना क्या होगा. Approximately you can tell.
Sir, maybe more than 20 or 25.
What do you think, Molly Singh? How many times I have conducted all the tests, including oral test, written test, game test, including all the tests in GK?
So more than 30 and 30.
Yes,
Yes, sir, more than 30.
Yes, I also think so that at least more than 35, 30, 40 times I have conducted tests. And the result is in front of you that all of you have scored very, very nice. All of you have appeared your exam very nicely because from each and every chapter I have taken questions. I have taken chapters from chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3 to chapter 21. From each and every chapter I have included the questions. You might have felt
Yes,
when you have appeared that examination, isn't that? Okay.
Yes.
So now we will discuss about our half yearly syllabus. So syllabus already I will send you. Already I have sent quarterly syllabus, but half yearly syllabus I have not sent. So half yearly syllabus also will be sent within a week. It is already prepared and ready. So one day I will send whatever the classes I conduct in that classes and whatever the subjects I conduct in that classes, I will be sending all the syllabus of all the subjects what I teach. Okay. So I will be sending in your WhatsApp group or else in computer campus here I will send. So today we'll begin from chapter 2. Chapter 22. Sorry, chapter 22 will begin. Someone is talking. Don't interrupt. Okay. So today we'll begin chapter 22 and how our class will go. Let me tell you some basic rules that one day means at one class we'll cover up at least 2 chapters or 1 chapters or whatever the chapters I will cover or complete. The next class I will be asking. You understood? Means whatever the chapters I will teach you today. Suppose if I teach you chapter 22 or chapter 23. or only one chapter, chapter 22 only. So in the next class, when next class will be held, in that next classes, I will be asking the question from chapter 2. Whatever I have taught, I will ask in that question in the next class, and all of you need to reply. Means oral test will be there and written test also will be there. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
You want me to speak Hindi if you don't understand? You want me to speak Hindi?
No, sir.
Okay, you understood. Very good. So one by one, we'll cover up all the chapters of half yearly, and whatever the chapters will be taught in the next class, I will be conducting oral test or the written test. So all of you need to ready with that. Okay, so let me open GK book on the screen. So let me open GK book. Where is GK? GK here. Where is chapter 22? This is chapter 18. Okay, no problem. Let me open chapter 22. Okay, now we have this chapter 22. Authors and books. This is also important chapter, authors and books. There are so many important books are available in the world, which are very, very important and very, very famous. Through the internationally, it is famous. Are you able to see book on the screen? What I have presented on the screen? Are you able to see the book?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here we have books and author's name. What is written here? A collection of pages which has something printed written to either impart knowledge or tell a story or a poem to educate or for entertainment is called a book. Books play a very important role in gaining knowledge. For achieving knowledge, for gaining knowledge, book is always very, very helpful or important. It plays important role. Let us match the authors with their famous. First of all, we will practice over here. After that, whenever the next classes will be here, next classes, I will be asking questions and you need to say answer. So be ready with that. And the previous chapters means quarterly, that also you need to time you have to revise with yourself. Okay, so that whenever I conduct the tests and all those things, so with that also I can ask. But that I will let you know whenever I will do that. Okay. So let us try to solve this one. By the way, answer is given, but we are supposed to practice over here also. So famous books name are written on the right side and the authors names are written in the left side. So we just have to match. So Molly, you will tell the answer. Crockett Johnson. Listen, one thing I need to tell you that the name is spelling names of the authors. You listen one thing. Spelling names of the authors you need to learn. Okay, because whenever you will write the names of the authors while writing, so many of you make mistakes of writing the spellings. So see the author's name and the same you have to write in your examination whenever it will be held. So you have to practice writing author's name again and again. Okay. So first, number one, we have Crockett Johnson. So tell me what books he has written, Crockett Johnson?
And the Purple Crayon.
Which one? A, B, C, D. What is? Tell me the number.
B.
C.
Option B.
Option B.
B.
Okay. Harold and the purple crayon. Okay. Crockett Johnson will be here. Harold on the Harold and the purple crayon. Crockett Johnson, Harold and the purple crayon. Okay, we'll revise again and again so that we can memorize over here also. And Dr. Seuss. Dr. Seuss.
The cat in the hat.
The cat in
The
the
cat
hat.
in the hat.
Okay, very good. The Cat in the Hat is famous book. The Cat in the Hat. Rudyard Kipling. Rudyard Kipling.
The Jungle Book.
Okay.
The Jungle Book.
The Jungle Book. The Jungle Book, actually movie also is there. Animated movie also is there. In that Jungle Book, I haven't read the book, but I have seen the Jungle Book web series. For it is made for especially for children. In my house, there is my that small nephew. He used to see all the time the Jungle Book, in which the very famous character is there, Mowgli, Baloo, like that. They are characters. Have you seen the Jungle Book?
Yes, sir.
So the authors of the Jungle Book story is Rudyard Kipling. Okay, J.K. Rowling. J.K. Rowling.
Harry Potter.
Okay, Harry Potter is also a very famous book. J.K. Rowling and Harry Potter. Okay, Lewis Carroll. Lewis Carroll.
Blue Umbrella.
The Blue Umbrella. Okay, the Blue Umbrella. I also haven't read the book, but I have seen the web series on the Blue Umbrella or the Umbrella Academy, like that. One web series was there, so I haven't. I have seen Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond.
The Famous Five.
The famous five. Okay, Ruskin Bond. The Famous Five. Enid Blyton. Enid Blyton.
Sir, 1 minute. Lewis Carroll is Alice in Wonderland.
Okay, let me read that one. Ruskin Bond, The Adventure of Huckleberry Finn. Ruskin Bond will be the Blue Umbrella. Okay, let me undo it. Ruskin Bond, the Blue Umbrella. Okay, and Lewis Carroll. Lewis Carroll.
The Alice in Wonderland.
Okay, this is Alice in Wonderland.
In Wonderland.
Yeah, Alice in Wonderland. Alice in Wonderland is also a very, very good book. I have seen the movie of Alice in Wonderland. Mark Twain. Mark Twain. Mark Twain.
The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn.
You don't need to say Huckleberry Finn. That is Huckleberry Finn. Okay. Don't say Huckley. Okay. What would you say? Huckleberry Finn. What would you say?
Huckleberry Finn.
Yes. So chapter 21 we have completed. So let us check what is given on chapter 22. At least 2 chapters will cover up. Okay, word power. Word power is also very, very important. It is important for us to learn new words to increase our vocabulary. Let us learn some new words. Use the help box to pick the correct words for each of the following. Okay, okay. Help box is given bottom of this page. Okay, so tell me the answer. So let us begin. First of all, where did the little cat go? It was still a What is the correct answer? It was still a
Mystery.
mystery. Yeah, mystery, right? Mystery. Anything you need to say, Ishant? You need to say something, Ishant? So unmute yourself. I have given you permission. Unmute yourself. You are not able to unmute. Now unmute. Okay, let me unmute all. I think you are facing. Oh, I think network problem is going on. Ishant, now you can unmute yourself. Still, you are not able to unmute.
Yes, sir. So I'm telling that, may I tell the answer of chapter 23?
Yes, you can say, both of you can say, Molly Singh and Ishant, both of you can remain unmuted. Okay. Okay, no problem. But for the next class, you have to be ready. In the next class, whenever the next classes will be held, I will be asking question from chapter 22 and chapter 23. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All the students, listen carefully. All of you have to be ready with that. Abhinav, Jaydev. I think we are facing some network issues. If it will happen again, then
Okay,
we will close the class and we'll conduct it in the next class. Okay, if it will happen again, then otherwise we will continue our classes. Okay, so number one answer was mystery. Okay, where did the little cat go? It was still a mystery. What does that mean? Do you know the meaning of mystery?
The mystery first.
You know the meaning of mystery?
Sir, rahasya.
Very good. Rahasya.
Sir, rahasya.
Yeah, very good. In Hindi, it is called rahasya. Means something secret. The weather was dash and windy. What will write here?
Turbulent. Sir, turbulent.
Turbulent. Yes, turbulent. Whenever first time, if you will board on aeroplane, so you will feel when aeroplane will take off, so turbulent will happen in the aeroplane. Have you ever on plane, Ishant, Raj, Molly Singh, have you ever traveled by aeroplane?
No, sir.
I have traveled.
No, sir.
I have traveled. Once I have traveled from Patna to New Delhi. From Patna to New Delhi, I have traveled with aeroplane. So in my life, first time, we see everyday clouds. We everyday see clouds from the earth. But when I went on through aeroplane, I saw first time cloud that I was above than cloud. And I was seeing cloud, that cloud was under the aeroplane. It was under the aeroplane. The first time I was on the aeroplane. So in aeroplane, when it starts taking off, So turbulent means jhatka. One jhatka we have faced in that. So whoever will travel first time, so they will feel. My mother has gone to the departmental store to buy some dash for daily use. What will you write
Sir,
here?
grocery.
Yes.
Grocery.
So do you know the meaning of groceries?
Sir,
Sabji, you know.
sir, it is.
Sabji,
The
kitchen things.
vegetables.
Yes, sabji, vegetables.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the papaya falls down from the trees as dash pulls it down.
Gravity. Gravity pulls it down.
Very
Down.
good. Pooja and Shyama were whispering a dash in each other's ears. Secret.
Secret.
Very good. It was so hot in the sun that all the children got
Thirsty.
thirsty. Okay, Atul did not see the banana in the ground and he dashed and fell down as he stepped on it.
Spin.
Slipped. Very good. And he slipped.
Sir, split. Slip.
His mother checked his temperature with a dash as he had high fever.
Thermometer.
Thermometer. Very good.
Sir, thermometer.
Very good. The teacher dashed all students who did not finish their homework.
Punished. Punished.
Very good.
The punish.
Tanya was dressed up as a bride for the fancy dress competition.
Completion. Sir, completion.
They generated the chief minister with a warm welcome and dash of roses.
Garland. Sir, garland.
The garland.
Garland.
Garland, okay. Very good. We just now have completed chapter 22 also. So in the next class,
Yes, sir.
in the next class, I will be conducting the Kaun Banega Karodpati game quiz show. Okay. So you have to be ready with 2
Sir,
chapters.
quiz.
Yes, quiz. Only these 2 chapters. Chapter 21
Okay,
and
sir.
chapter 22. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, everyone.
Yes, sir.
So be ready, and this is your homework. One time you need to write in your HW copy also. Okay. Okay, you understood, everyone.
Yes, sir.
So today till here only, and we will meet in our next classes. Okay, bye everyone.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.